Hello guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Windows 10 start menu open very slow. So guys, if you want to fix Windows 10 start menu open very slow, so very easy. Firstly, click on type here view advanced system settings. So click it, wait for a while, click on advances, click on settings and uncheck this box. Click on apply, click on OK. That's other way. Right click, click on personalize. After click on start, here option show more. So /2 off position. So as this is very simple and easy method if you want to fix Windows 10 start menu open very slow. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for latest update.